So, I have bought iPhone 11 for only $128. And here's the story. During my eBay search, I found an interesting listing with iPhone 11 in purple color. The phone was listed as Apple iPhone 11, 128GB purple CDMA plus GSM. Nothing special, right? But there was something special. Its price. But before buying, I asked the seller to share the IMEI number of the phone, which was located on a SIM tray. IMEI is International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, which in simple words is the verification the device can be used in CDMA or GSM networks. And luckily I got the number. If you try to Google iPhone IMEI checker, you can find a lot of websites providing fully detailed IMEI data. Like this one, or even this one. In my case, I use this one, so all I need to do is to insert the provided IMEI number into the text field and hit the check button. Now I have the phone data. Find My iPhone was turned off and GSMA status was clean. The only bummer is that it is 64GB model. To be 100% sure that the phone will work, I also requested career check. It showed me that the phone was locked to T-Mobile, which is not perfect, but it can be unlocked. I checked Apple.com website and was surprised with the retail price for the same model. Despite being a 3 years old model, it is $499. Knowing all the information about the phone, I hit Buy It Now button. And finally, I got my delivery, so it was time to unbox it. After charging the phone, the first thing I checked was the touchscreen working capability. Although the phone was disabled, the screen worked without any issues. Next step was to verify if the IMEI provided by the seller matched the IMEI located on a SIM tray. And it did match. Now it was time to restore the phone and bring it back to life. To do that, I need to put the iPhone in the view mode by clicking the volume up button, volume down button, and then hold the power up button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, simultaneously hold power up button and volume down button for 5 more seconds. Release power up button, but proceed holding volume down button for 5 more seconds. After 5 seconds, release volume down button. I followed the same instructions, but unfortunately was not lucky to get into the DFU mode. That's why I had few more tries. Finally, I figured out that there was something wrong with the connection, as the device was not recognized by my computer. I tried to use a different cable and it worked. The device was recognized by my Mac, so it was time to download the firmware and restore the phone. Usually it takes about 20 minutes to download the firmware, but we'll do it in seconds. Download is done, and now it's time to restore the phone.
Launch sequence activated.
The Apple logo is a pretty good sign. All I need to do now is just to wait until the restore is completed. Here we go! What? Was it a dumb idea to buy this phone? Was I scammed? There is no time for panic. Let me Google the problem. According to Apple, that kind of error can be caused by outdated software or broken cable. Still having hope to make it work, I connected the iPhone with a different lighting cable to another iMac and tried the same process. Luckily, the device was recognized and I proceed with the restore. Yeah, I have seen something similar before. Will it work this time? I hope so. But I have to wait to see if no more errors will appear. Well, this time it got further than it was last time. But I can't say that it's done until the whole process is completed on my mic first and then on device itself. So I have to wait a few more minutes. And finally, we got a logo. The iPhone is fully restored to its newest firmware. All I have to do now is to wait for the process to complete on iPhone side and set up the phone as a new user. The thing I was waiting for so long, home screen welcome message. Hello! I proceed with configuring the phone and activating it. As always, nothing worked for the first time, so it took me extra try to activate the phone. And finally, I passed the activation screen and was ready to set up the phone. A few extra steps and the phone is ready to be used. There can be cases when the SIM tray is swapped and the IMEI of the phone is different from the one on SIM tray. That's why I also checked the IMEI of the phone itself and its carrier. As expected, the phone carrier was locked. After doing some basic tests, I found the phone being in working condition without any extra issues. I also checked the battery health and the battery life was at 98%. When connected to the Mac, the software showed me that the battery was at 100 cycle counts, which is a really small number. Now it was time to unlock the phone from T-Mobile carrier, and I can do that by using the RSIM. RSIM is a method to unlock a carrier-locked iPhone to use in a different network. It acts like a circuit and sits on top of your regular SIM. I inserted the SIM tray with RSIM tool and proceed with unlocking. After finishing the whole process, I got a fully unlocked iPhone. The next thing was to check the condition of the phone, and with no super expectations, I knew that it would be scratched, but not that much scratched. Both front and back sides were covered with millions of tiny deep scratches. I had some experience in removing scratches from plastic surfaces, so I tried the display repair and polish gel. It was ordered from AliExpress and I paid almost $20, which is a lot, but it's a good alternative for replacing the back glass or the front screen. The package includes 2 liquids or pastes, the repair and the polish. Also, it has some tool to polish the screen and a cloth to clean the screen. I started with the repair paste and placed it gently on the most scratched parts of the screen. Using the cloth, I tried to polish the surface. Then I applied the same technique to the back of the phone. I haven't seen any difference, to be honest. Maybe finish will help, so I applied finish paste only on the front glass to see if I will notice any difference. But it didn't help at all. When I looked closer at the recording of the before and after, I noticed a small difference. The before screen had a web of tiny little scratches. The after was lacking some of those, but not that much. Considering that, I would not recommend using the Display Repair Kit. Next, I applied a screen protector to hide some of the scratches. Same I did for the back glass. Spoiler alert, it didn't help. And here's the final result. Well, I hoped for a better, but considering its price, it's an awesome phone. And later, I turned it into money. How much money did I earn selling the phone? iPhone costed $128, display space $18, screen protectors $4.50, which is in total $150.50. I sold the phone for $345, so my profit is $194.50. Not bad. If you like this video, please smash that like button and also leave some comment. And I see you in the next one.